Kunur. We are departing from Kunur railway station and train number is 5. So hello दोस्तों, welcome back to YouTube channel Khamukha Vlogger. So today this is day 2 in the Ooty and day 1 we travel from Bangalore to Ooty. मैंने आपको पूरी जर्नी दिखाई. Now in day 2 we are going to experience the magical and the majestic Ooty toy train. So Ooty toy train की जर्नी को एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए हम आ चुके हैं उडाग मंडलम रेलवे स्टेशन पे और यहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर सा ना स्टीम इंजन का और जो टॉय ट्रेन का एक कोच है वो लगाया गया है. यहाँ पे सेल्फी पॉइंट भी बनी हुई है. सो हियर यू कैन कम एंड क्लिक पिक्चर्स, क्लिक सेल्फीज. आई विल गिव यू अ शॉर्ट tour of the Udag Mandalam railway station. UAM is the station code. Then I'll explain everything about this toy train journey, and today we're going to do a one-day tour of Kunur. So in day 2 my itinerary is we are going to do toy train journey. Along with that we are also going to experience the Ooty toy train, yes, and with that we're going to experience and we're going to visit Kunur, and I'll also show you what all places I'm going to visit in Kunur. So to give you a very short overview of Udag Mandalam railway station, the Ooty railway station, you can see there is only one platform and coach indicator is also there, D1, F1. So my coach for today's journey is F1, and this is how the railway station looks like. There is only one platform. So this is the outer view of Udag Mandalam railway station, Ooty railway station. See how beautiful this railway station is built here. This looks very beautiful, and this is the out view. And here car parking is available. If you are coming by auto, then auto will drop you here just near the entrance, and you can see there is plenty of car parking. Bike parking is also there, and there is one restaurant where you can have food also. So these all amenities are there in Udag Mandalam railway station. And now let's move inside the railway station and let's see how railway station looks from inside. So now let's see how is the entry, and let me tell you my train number as well. My train number is 56142 Udag Mandalam Kunur. 12:15 is the departure from platform number 1. The Ooty railway station is, you can see how beautiful this रेलवे स्टेशन इज़ यार, और इस ट्रैक पे ही हमारी ट्रेन आने वाली है. सो ट्रेन नंबर इज़ 56142. इट इज़ गोइंग टू डिपार्ट एट 12:15 PM फ्रॉम प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 and it will arrive Kunur at 1:15 PM, and the total travel time is 1 hour, and there are so many stops in the middle like Lovedale, Ketty, Aravankudu, and then Wellington, Kunur, right? These are all the stops. And let me tell you the fare, 56142. I am traveling in first class, so first class fare what I am paying is 350 rupees per person. And in return I have also planned to return, like having after day 2, 2-3 hours spending 2-3 hours in Kunur, we have a plan to return from toy train only. That also I am going to show you in this vlog. So when I am returning back, I have booked ticket in general, not the first class, right? In the general compartment. That also I am going to show you in this vlog. What is the fare, what is the train number, everything in detail I am going to show. So this toy train comes under Southern Railway, Salem Division, Udga Mandalam railway station. You can see the fare. Udga Mandalam to Lovedale it's 135.30. Udga Mandalam Ketty 170.45 first class and second class. Although Udga Mandalam to Kunur it's 350. I don't know why it is saying here 390. It's maybe it is the old list which is there, but it is 350 now. And you can also check the fare on IRCTC official website. I have booked tickets from IRCTC official website, and as I suggested, please book in advance if you want the confirmed seats. Not for second class, but not for just first class, but for the second class also. Please book in advance. There is also unreserved ticketing system, unreserved ticket counter, but you can see the rush. You can see the whole queue. This whole queue is for the current unreserved coach ticket, and you can see lot of rush is there. So better to plan reservation in advance. Finally at 11:54 only our train has arrived from this direction, and then we are going, this engine will be in front, and then we'll go in this direction only. So now quickly let's board our coach and let's enjoy this toy train ride to Kunur. So this is my coach for the journey F1, which is a reserve coach, and in this coach only we are going to do this journey. और देख सकते हैं this is the last coach. When a train was coming, no, this was the first coach. So this is how the train looks like. Engine इसमें क्या है कि engine only gets connected at the one side, right? Or when train is moving that side, this will be back, and when train is coming, so this will become engine side. You can see the full train. In this train there is a general coach also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, total 5 coaches are there in this toy train, and this runs throughout the day between Ooty and Kunur, between Udagmandalam and Kunur, there are total 4 trains: 9:15, 12:15, 2 p.m. and then last train is at 5:30 p.m. if you want to travel between Ooty and Kunur. So that is the overall information. I've told everything now. Let's start the journey. 12:15 p.m. our train is going to depart from Udagmandalam railway station. So finally, dot on time, we are departing from Udagmandalam or Ooty. We stopped at our first stop, Lovedale, for not even for 1 minute. Within few seconds, our train has now started from Lovedale. और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ना आप सिग्नल कैसे एक्सचेंज होता है. हर कोच के बाहर यहाँ पे आपको सिग्नल एक्सचेंज होता है और लाइक दैट ट्रेन हमारी आगे मूव करती है. लाइक सी दिस व्यू, कितना ब्यूटीफुल यहाँ पे व्यू है रेलवे स्टेशन का. और इस जर्नी में ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग दिस ट्रेन राइड एंड द व्यू हियर इज़ अमेजिंग एंड अमेजिंग. द नीलगिरीज इज़ अमेजिंग एंड यू शुड नॉट मिस दिस टॉय ट्रेन जर्नी इफ यू आर कमिंग टू Ooty and Ooty to Kunur. This is one of the best rail routes or one of the scenic toy train rail routes in India, and I just wanted to show you the view. Just enjoy the view. I just want you to enjoy the view, and then we'll reach Kunur and then we'll talk. So we have finally arrived Kunur with a delay of 15 minutes. 1:15 was our arrival time schedule. We reached here at 1:30 p.m. So with a delay of 15 minutes, but my plan was to visit 2-3 places in Kunur and then return back with the same train at 4 p.m. But thing is, now it is raining in Kunur, you can see, and it is raining heavily. So my plan was to visit Lamb's Rock and then Dolphin's Nose. So if rain stops, it is 1:40 already. So let's see if I can visit 2 places, if I can visit 1 place if rain does not stop. So I'll not go anywhere क्योंकि वैसे भी there is rain, so view will not get right from the Lamb's Rock or from Dolphin's Nose. We'll not be able to see view because it will be full of clouds. We'll be only able to see clouds. So that is why we'll have lunch now and then we'll see if the rain stops, if the weather clears, then only we'll plan to visit Kunur, else we'll not visit. मैं आपके लिए ये करता हूँ कि I'll सी सम टैक्सी वाला जो भी चार्जेस है यहाँ पे, जो भी प्लेसेस टू विजिट है, जो भी पैकेजेस हैं, वो मैं आपको एक बार बता देता हूँ. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे कि लंच वगैरह करके विल रिटर्न बैक. इफ रेन डज नॉट स्टॉप विल रिटर्न बैक विद द सेम ट्रेन. 4 PM आई हैव टॉय ट्रेन टिकट ऑलरेडी बुक्ड, सो विल रिटर्न बैक टू ऊटी. सो टू विजिट कुनूर देयर आर सो मेनी पैकेजेस ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल फॉर यू. एंड पैकेजेस का टाइमिंग क्या है कि टाइमिंग एज पर द ट्रेन, मतलब 1:30 ट्रेन पीपल अराइव एंड 4 इज़ द रिटर्न ट्रेन. सो 2.5 आवर्स का एग्जैक्टली एक पैकेज बना के रखा है. पैकेज का मैं आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लगा देता हूँ. स्क्रीनशॉट पे आप रेट्स वगैरह आपको बता दूंगा. पर इट्स रेनिंग टू हैवी इन कुनूर, सो We'll not be able to go anywhere for the sightseeing. Weather is cool, and then we'll have lunch. And my plan is to have lunch and then return back to Ooty, back again. अगर बारिश नहीं हो रही होती तो I would have taken 2.5 hours वाला package, ठीक है, and I would have gone for the places, for the sites to visit. But since it is raining, I cannot go. So this is the place where I had lunch, and this is just 100 meters away from the railway station. This side is the railway station, and this is just 100 and 150 meters away from the railway station. Here we had lunch. Here restaurant, bar and cafe, everything is there, and this is very good option is there if you want to have lunch and you want to have bar options or restaurant option. We have now come back to the railway station, and packages are available. 15,500 is the package, 2.3 hour package, 2.5 hours package, which you can opt. Charges is 1,500, but it's upon you how much you can bargain. So you can bargain to 1,200, 1,200, 1,000 rupees, whatever you want to do and whatever places you want to visit. And they have a train time drop. So whatever time you have train, they will drop you. Maximum people come by this 12:15 train and they go back by 4 p.m. train. This is what we are doing. Our plan was to visit Kunur in these 2.5 hours, but since it was raining, we didn't visit any of the places to visit. But you can visit definitely if the weather is clear and all. You will get better views of the valley. You will be also able to see Mettupalayam and Coimbatore from here. So now we'll go back to the railway station and we'll board our train towards Ooty back again. 4 p.m. is the train and 5:10 p.m. is the arrival time in Ooty. So this is how the Kunur railway station looks like. ये Britishers का built up है. This is built up by Britishers and इसमें कोई changes नहीं किया गया. बाकी we'll go inside the railway station now and we'll board our train towards Ooty. 4 p.m. is our train time, and let's see what coach we have done the booking and how much is the fare, and everything I'm going to explain you in detail. When we return, our seat number is 31 and 32. So this is general second class compartment, and now we'll be heading towards Ooty back again with this 4 p.m. train. So we are now heading back again to Ooty from 4 p.m. train, and I'm now going in the second class reserved coach. Fare I have paid is 150 rupees is a per person ticket. While coming it was first class, it was 350 rupees, and now we'll go in the second class reserved compartment, and this general compartment also, first class also compartment is there. 2 compartment is second class, 2 compartment first class, and then we have 1 general in this train. 5 coaches are in total in this train, and there's also this food canteen, I can say, or I can say the cafeteria in the railway station, where you can have you can meals. And also this is the place where Chal Chhaiya Chhaiya Gana shooting was done, at the Kunur railway station only. And this railway station or this train especially has so much of shooting done in the Chhaiya Chhaiya song. So exactly dot on time at 4 we are departing from Kunur railway station, and train number is 56138 Kunur Ooty passenger, and then finally we are leaving Kunur railway station dot on time. So make sure you are not late when you are traveling between Kunur and Ooty, because the train departs on time. It is not going to wait for you. So guys, finally we have arrived back in Ooty by 4 p.m. train, and now we are going back to our stay. 150 ऑटो का चार्ज बोल रहे हैं, और ओवरऑल अभी भी when we came back to Ooty it is still raining. Our plan was to do Kunur sightseeing, but we were not able to do due to rain. Now we are going back to our stay in Ooty. Finally we are back at our stay. My stay is Heritage View. I'll give you a short overview of my stay. And we went to Kunur for a day tour, but we were not able to visit the sites because it is full day. It is raining till now. It is raining in Ooty and Kunur. So we did toy train journey to and fro. 12:15 we went. 4 p.m. we came back to Ooty. So that is how our full day was. And I hope you have liked this vlog. And if you want to visit Kunur for 2.5 hours, like as per the train timings, so you need to pay 1500 rupees, 1500. You can bargain as per your bargaining skills, and then you can be back at Kunur on the same day, back at Ooty on the same day. So that's how our vlog was. If you have liked this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Meet in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye and take care.